Although the mileage-obsessed section of Nike running has advanced much since 1972, it nevertheless pays tribute to the Cortez, one of its first performance runners for the general public, in the present day. In a brand new Celestine Blue, Pinksicle, metallic silver and sail color scheme that is only available in women's sizes, the vintage style has made a comeback ahead of summer. The pair's color blocking isn't all that different from Nike Sportswear's offerings over the past 20 years, but it has a stylish knit trim around the profile swooshes. While the 53-year-old silhouette retains its tried-and-true underfoot construction, shimmering hardware in the form of lace dubraes and uppermost eyelets also adds flair. See the Celestine Blue Cortez's official look. Pair should be available on Nike.com before the end of the summer for $100 US.